Hi there, this is Jom from SSW, and today I'm going to show you the new rating system for the recipe app. Let's get started. As you could see here, the new rating system takes the form of hearts, and it could have 0 hearts, 5 hearts, or anywhere in between. Just take note that it's only whole numbers. Now let's take a look of inside an individual recipe. So once I click that, it would show the rating system under the caption. And there's two ways to modify it. One is to click the pen or the rating itself. And let's try actually modifying it. Now there's two ways in interacting with the rating input form. One is by mouse, and just by hovering the mouse, it would react in real time. Clicking it would lock it in place. Another one is through keyboard. So as you could see here, you could interact with it by clicking the left and right arrows. Tabbing out would automatically lock the selected hearts in place. Now, when I click enter here, then the new value would now show from 5 to 4. Adding a new recipe acts the same way. So if I do this, choose 2, click to lock it in place, and clicking add, we could see that the reflected value of 2 is shown. Now finally, I have added some validations in the backend. So if a developer has inputted this value, it would get 2 errors. One for not inputting a value from 0 to 5, and another for inputting 3 decimal points when only 2 decimals are allowed. And that's it. What I've shown you is the new rating system for the recipe app. This is Jom from SSW signing off.